Okay, right. So to get the y-intercept, we said we're going to make x 0. So that means that 2 times 0 will still be 0. So what will be left here? Minus 3. Okay, how do we write that in coordinate form? Bracket. What was my x value? 0. What's my y value? Minus 3. Okay, easy enough? Yeah, usually. Okay, can I give you another one and then you guys try on your own? Shh. People, write this down. You're going to do it now. Right. Get the x and the y intercept of the line. Y is equal to 6x plus 3. Right, so exactly like we did it now. We usually ask you to get both. So get the x-intercept and get the y-intercept. Right, off you go. Remember to write your final answer in the form of a coordinate again. Yeah.
How much will one card? Say they give us two names like the x-intercept and the y-intercept. How much
It's 2 marks each. So for this question, 4 marks. Six x. Uh-uh. 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 Are you guys done? Joshua, please start writing down the work and not chat so much. Come on. Are you done? So you're gonna tell me all the answers. Right? Mm-mm. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, so to get the x-intercept, we are going to make y equal to 0. So I'm going to have 0 is equal to 6x plus 3. Okay, then you're going to have 6x is equal to minus 3. So, or you guys maybe had it minus 3 is equal to 6x. Same thing. Okay, we have been through this a term ago. Okay, so x will then be minus 3 over 6, meaning x is a minus a half. Okay, so write that in coordinate form. Minus a half, semicolon, y is 0. Yeah. This one, if you skipped it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, to get the y-intercept, we now have to make x 0. So I'm going to have y is equal to 6, and instead of x, I'm going to have 0 plus 3. And 6 times 0 is still going to be 0, so y will be 3. So if I write it in coordinate form, x is 0 and y is 3. Okay. Do you guys need another example of this? Yeah? The sign changes. So if it was negative, then it becomes positive. If it was positive and it goes over, it becomes a negative. Okay. Right. Now, this is not all that you're going to have to do at the homework. They're asking you to draw a graph by using this double intercept method. Now, what I've got here is the two intercepts. Now have a look. And you can do the same. You don't need big pictures, and now you don't have to make them the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You don't need to do that anymore. Okay? So we're going to draw our x and our y-axis. Just indicate this is x and that is y. Okay. Now, let's plot this first point, this one. X is minus a half. So x will be, let's say that's going to be here. And we say minus a half, and that's 0, and y is 0. Okay, let's plot this point. X is 0 and y is 3. So that will be over here, more or less. Does it still make sense? And now, let me just finish this part. All I have to do is connect the dots. There we go. Yeah. That would be between the 0 and the 1, yeah.
So even if it's like say 5 and a half, it would be in the 6 and the 5.
Yeah. Okay. Do you guys get what I mean when you've got to draw the picture? So it's much easier now, no? You only need 2 points and then connect your dots. The important part is, once I've drawn my graph, does that look like a positive or a negative gradient? Positive. Okay, and go look at our example. Is it positive or negative? Positive. Okay, that's also just to double check that I plot my points correct. Okay, right, I'm going to give you one where you have got to give those two intercepts and draw the graph. Okay, right, last one. Example 3. Say again, are you still copying? What did you say? Okay, I'll skip back. There you go.
Is example 3 now, right?
Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Are you done? Okay. It says, draw the line y is equal to minus 3x minus 1 by using the double intercept method. Double intercept method means I get the two intercepts first, no? After that, I draw my picture. Exactly like we had just now. Okay, do this one example and then I'll give you homework. Because I am being nice. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. Yes, please. Like up. We can start with a y intercept, as long as you get both intercepts. Are you done? Come show me. No, not me. I'm not going. No. Are you done? No. One, done.
You can just use your formula when you write the
Gradients. Of the coordinates. But you've got to have brackets around it. Yeah. No, sorry. Comma, pen, semicolon. Yes. People, and if you are done and you're waiting for me, the back of that page is going to be your homework. That's exactly, yeah, everything. It's not a lot. It's exactly like we've been doing now. Okay, so start with that. Then you have less to do at home. Anyone absent today? No. Oh my word, the power's off again. Yeah, man. Times. New times. No, but this is not for Worcester, this is for Rawsonville. So I don't know what the Worcester times was. Well, in Rawsonville, it's going to be from 10 till 12:30, and then again tonight from 6 till 8:30. Stage 4 now. Yeah.
Your father is up on Skyboat.
That's your fault.
Right, you guys done? Any constables? Right, hands up, you're still busy. Oh no, you for undercover. Okay. Right. Okay, people, let's get the x-intercept. Okay. So to get x-intercept, I'm going to make y 0. So 0 is equal to minus 3x minus 1. I'm going to take that 3x or minus 3x over, which means that x will then be minus 1 over 3. Who got that? Good. Now let's just write that in coordinate form. So x is minus a third, semicolon, y is 0. Okay. Now let's get the y-intercept. So I am going to make x 0. So y will be minus 1. Okay. So which means that x is 0 and y is minus 1. Did you guys get it like that? Okay. Yeah? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now x axis, y axis. Okay, let's go and plot our points. So if x is minus a third, let's make that over here. Minus a third and y is 0. And then the y-intercept, x is 0, y is minus 1. So let's make that over here. Which means that that line is going to look like, Ofni. Like that. You guys all understand? Yeah. Yes, yeah. It must just be more or less in proportion. No. Yeah. Okay, does everyone understand? Okay, so then homework is going to be the back of that page. You guys can get started with that. And if you're done, you can chill. Okay? So homework is worksheet 2. Number 2.1 and 2.2.